So before I jump into what's trending on the YouTube India trending page, I would like to take a plunge beyond what is debated on social media on a weekly basis and about the Chinese app and how the Chinese are capitalizing on our population. Without any further ado, here's why PUBG should or should not be banned in India. Now, rather talking about the complexity of how the marketing and gaming industries work and using the big terms like internet censorship, I would like to talk about what originated it and how it was so impressionable and impactful on today's youth. Number 1. The makers. Now, just because some random clueless person tells you about the so-called Chinese app, you must understand that your father saying PUBG would be banned in India soon and you won't be able to do a thing about it is only as ignorant as you are about information, because you have isolated yourself by playing PUBG on hours on end. However, the only difference between him and you is just that you chose to be oblivious because obviously the game's more important than news, and your father, well, he is frustrated of you doing only the fundamentals and nothing else, which results to him hearing only the things he wants to happen. Now let me explain this part to you. You know the game has two versions, right? The mobile and the PC one. Little you know that the PC version was developed by the PUBG Corporation, which is a subsidiary to the South Korean game developer company Bluehole. However, the mobile version was developed by Tencent Games, which is a Chinese game developer. So, if possible, only the mobile version shall be banned, as the PC version has been released globally all over the world. Point number 2, the ban. Now, a lot of people have the argument that, who am I playing? Well, only these two had the argument that
ऑनलाइन गेम्स की तरफ उसका झुकाव कुछ ज्यादा ही बढ़ गया है.
It should be banned.
and some articles too state that it encourages violence and people are dying because of it. It so happened last year, because of which many states including Gujarat banned PUBG and children were being put into cells behind the bars for playing it. You heard it right. Children were being literally arrested for playing PUBG in Gujarat. The argument. The argument which people give behind why should PUBG be banned in India, besides a boomer telling them that it's a Chinese app and has no idea of how the human biology works and wants to make you study 14 hours a day, is that the game is very violent, addictive, causes accidents and affects mental health. Now, allow me to play the devil's advocate. It actually does affect the mental health of an individual, which we will address in the next point. For now, I don't think that it has everything to do with the violence, and I don't think if you even play the most popular battle royale game, which is the category in which PUBG falls, I don't think you're going to lose the humane qualities in you. Consider this. You're walking on a street and some small 13 or 14-year-olds are having a fist fight. You immediately, without a doubt, separate them, asking them not to fight. Chalo ek और example. Supposedly you are playing the best multiplayer shooter video game on the planet and someone kicks a dog in front of you. What would you do? And that's the thing. A shooter or a battle royale multiplayer game cannot rewire your brain to such an extent that you use your human qualities. Point number 4, the differentiation. Now, let's be honest. It does have an impact on your mental health because these incidents which were reported recently were actually fucking true and not made up. Now, it's totally up to you to differentiate on, is it worth playing that much or is it just a waste of time? Because the words addiction and dedication are not as similar and not even slightly correlated. See, if you want to turn it to a profession, then you have to play it. It's your dedication, which the streamers do. पर अब उड़ी उड़ी बातें मत करना यार कि हाँ फ़ोन उठाकर स्ट्रीम कर लेंगे और क्या भाई पैसे कमा लेंगे. भाई तू खुद सोच. You don't even know how the gaming channels operate. And in terms of research, your research is zero, my friend. Also the fact कि ऑलरेडी इतने प्लेयर्स भरे पड़े हैं और गेमिंग में तुम्हारा डायनेमो से लेकर स्काउट से लेकर कैरी जितने भी तुम्हारे मेन स्ट्रीम गेमर्स नहीं हैं वो भी गेमिंग चैनल में आ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. तो भाई इन सब से अलग क्या करोगे जो लोग तुम्हें देखना पसंद करेंगे? जस्ट बिकॉज एक फैक्ट पढ़ लिया था तुमने कहीं कि डायनेमो मेड दीज मच मनी बाय प्लेइंग गेम्स ऑनलाइन, तो एट द बैक ऑफ द हेड एक मॉरल चीज़ मत बनाओ कि यार आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, दिस विल कंट्रीब्यूट टुवर्ड्स बेटरिंग माय लाइफ. आई सीन पीपल सेइंग कि सिंगल लाइफ वालों के लिए पबजी वरदान है भाई. लोग लिटरली बोलते हैं कि आई फील कंप्लीट आफ्टर पबजी. Yes, your answer is there itself. You need a game to tackle loneliness, my friend. And now that you're an addict, you want to be better as it, since validation, acceptance, it makes you feel like you're something if nothing. Lastly, I would say कि भाई ये सब सोचो कि अगर इधर तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद हो जाती है ना, तो यू कैन नॉट इवन ब्लेम द क्रिएटर्स मॉरली, एज उनका तो गेम एल्गोरिथम ही ऐसे डिज़ाइंड है कि यू स्टे एडिक्टेड. तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि तुम खुद से हो गए हो पूरे पूरे एडिक्ट? नहीं भाई, दे हैव फकिंग साइकेट्रिक स्टडी स्टार्ट्स टू मेक इट दैट एडिक्टिव, क्योंकि वही उनका काम है. तुम्हें वेग अचीवमेंट्स देंगे इन फॉर्म्स ऑफ रिवॉर्ड्स जब तुम जीतो, जिनके रियलिटी से कोई संबंध नहीं होगा भाई. तुम्हें एक पैसे का बेनिफिट नहीं कर रहे. नाउ इट्स टोटली अप टू यू हाउ मच योर विल पावर इज एंड हाउ मच डू यू वांट टू बी व्हाट यू रियली वांट टू बी, एंड not a guy who seeks social validation in social apps like Instagram and these online games, whose only achievement is to get the desired guns or reward in a stupid online game. और यार अब इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि अनइंस्टॉल कर लिया और क्रेव करने में लगे हो तुम, that I want to play it, I want to play it. You're a fucking warrior, man. It's in your genes to conquer things. And these are nothing but apps, not bulked up bullies that overpower you. आई होप ये वीडियो ने तुम्हें थोड़ा डायरेक्शन दिया होगा. सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर ऑफ सच कॉन्टेंट एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. पीस. अब एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर और ऑडियो क्वालिटी देख के जो लोग मुझे गरीब बुलाने वाले हैं ना, हो सकता है मैं उससे गरीब हूँ, बट एटलीस्ट मैं इस बेवकूफ़ जैसा तो नहीं हूँ.